Okay, so a little something for Crypto-Quebec. So I'm going to explain exactly what the strategy is. This is a meme token, obviously. It was listed 2 days ago. We're shorting it. Why? There were a lot of airdrops given for this token. So it's a kind of meme coin. And all the people who have staked ION, who have BNB, BGB, you stake them on platforms, they give free airdrops. So obviously, when it comes down, okay, it lost 40% in 15-minute candles in the first 2 hours. Okay, so if you look here, you take the wick that's there, you send it all the way down, but not 39% in the amount we're shorting. Obviously, it launched on mainnet. And what are we at? We're at 10, I think. Yes, so it was listed 24 hours ago. Everyone made gains. And today I'm going to explain how to make a decent profit with it. The idea, it has to be a meme. A meme, a meme. It's going well. Yes, it's going well, obviously, as you can see from the chart already. This is the new indicator. It's going to be called Crypto-Quebec 3.0. It will be released to members as soon as I've finished configuring and setting it up. It will be released to members of the program, Crypto-Quebec 3.0. Obviously, the other indicators are still valid, but this indicator, you'll see, it's really cool. So obviously, going down, we came down, we made a kind of double bottom. I said, taking a token on a double bottom, the second part is always good. Good, good. How do you identify it? Because it's a vector. It's the same way you identify a second part. And, well, you'll see when it's your highest point. So obviously this is cool. How much did it give? It gave 167%. 167. 167%. 100. Often tokens do this, okay? If you're nervous and you don't have much capital, you can wait for your second bottom, okay? It will come back. And the second bottom here, it should be perfect. Why? Because it will be a vector. You see? It will be a vector, okay? Why? Because here it's easy. The first thing you'll do, you'll come back, re-enter, start again. It's the wick. You see? You put it here. We came once. We couldn't break it. We're going to make a double bottom here. So here there will be a small point. The wick will go down. It will give you a red dot. It will always come back. It's the 15-minute candle, and very often there will be some time to take our trade. 4, 5 candles, it will come here, then it will be time to enter. This second bottom, it wasn't sure. You'll have the green candle. It will take you to the top. What will that give you in total? You have this hue. If you want and you don't trust what I'm saying, and that's possible because I'm just a guy on the internet and this is not financial advice, I'm documenting what I do. Me, I'm a trader by profession. I trade from morning to night. My goal when I wake up is how many trades am I going to win? What percentage am I going to make? That's my goal. Me today, I'm not here to collect likes or whatever. I'm here to make money. So my only goal is how much profit am I going to make? I look at the structures, I look at the patterns. Me entering the golden zone, that's my thing. It resonates with me, and everyone sees it in the market, that it's time to enter the golden zone, and that's why you're going to make 12% in 16, 12x. You see, you'll add a zero. It'll be 1,220%. It'll be 12x. Let's say 1,000. I wouldn't put 1,000 on a meme token, but 1,000 will make 12,000, or 100 will make 200. You must have an old 100 lying around. Me, when I see you waste $100, I don't care. You just changed your tile. My car, you're going to throw away $400. $100, if you can't do anything with it anymore, it's not an asset. So I'll take an old $100,